Hey everyone, I'm Bernie Broderick coming back to you from Truth in Audio, and in this video we're going to talk about the Beyma MCB series of drivers. Now Beyma promotes this driver as a high SPL mid-bass driver, and on the surface that sounds quite simple, but in reality it's quite tricky. When you consider the pass bands of both the bass and the mid-range, they each have their own unique requirements, maybe different design direction, maybe different materials. As an example, for bass, you'd probably want a cone that's a longer excursion device, more rigid, things like that. With mid-range, you probably want something that's a little bit more delicate for transient response and for, mid-vocal intelligibility, things like that. So to do that combined at high SPL in a single driver is quite a challenge and quite a feat, but Beyma has done just that. They started off with a unique fiber-loaded pulp cone, which is unique to Beyma, and then on top of that they've completely redesigned the suspension system for the MCB series to give it more linearity, reduce distortion, etc., etc. On top of that, they have a 3-inch voice coil called Duo, which has its windings on both the inside and the outside of the former, so it maximizes the amount of copper that can be laid onto the former. So all some really unique attributes that have gone into the MCB series. It comes in 3 sizes, so you can start with the 10 MCB 700, or you can go to a 12 MCB 700, or finally a 15-inch MCB 700, all sporting ceramic magnet structures that were constructed using finite element analysis. Now, the power for these products is unanimous across the board. Each one of them will do 700 watts AES or 1400 watts of program power. Do you want to know more about these drivers? You want the Thiel small parameters? Then you want to go to Beyma.com and download the specs on these fantastic mid-bass high SPL drivers. I'm Bernie Broderick, and I'll see you in the next video.